I'm going to feed the duck again. Going to feed the duck again, guys. Para naman mabusog sila. Because nobody feed them. Maybe someone is feed them. But not every time. So I have my bread here. I have my bread. I already cut into pieces. So all of them can have. I already uploaded that last time, feeding that. But now I will feed it again. Yesterday I already gave them some bread again, but it's already dark. So I think they are sleeping. But they can see it in the morning. So I hope I can see them again now. So I'm walking. I think 2 minutes from the house and to the lake is 2 minutes, 3 minutes maximum. It depends on you. So yeah, see you later. Today is not raining. It's there. There we go. But the duck, I don't know where is the duck. Oh, I hope they can come again. Oh my god, the bird. Oh my gosh. Now is the bird is more. nothing. There's only 3 duck I saw. I don't know where to go. White. Oh, I swim. Look at flying and flying and flying. This is the bird. I supposed to want to feed the duck, but the bird is calm. So they have blackbird. There's a lot there. It's coming and coming and coming. They already swim. No more. Yeah, it's there already. You don't want to come near to me. So yeah, that's all for now, guys. It's the bird. Last time there's a lot of duck, but now it's bird. Ooh. They're fighting for the food. There's a lot of food here. You don't want to come. Here, yeah. Bye-bye. To later, to tomorrow. More fun. I mean, tomorrow again, I will come here and video. So, thank you for watching. So nice to see. Ayun, oh, wow. So cute. There we go. There we go. Bye-bye. See, they are coming to the... Yeah, because there's a lot of food there.